Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. As for me, I'm doing fine. In this video, I'm going to show you all how I get this my beautiful hair tie gele. So now I'm creating my plate. This is how I create my plate. This is how I create my plate. So if you are creating your plate, make sure they are all arranged very well. So I have created it. I'm just trying to show you people how it look like. Now I want to place it on my head. Okay. You see, I just place it on my head. So when you place your hair tie on your head, make sure you arrange your hair tie very well. Very, very important. Please, guys, if you know you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, if you watch the video and you like it, please share the video out. Thumbs up, please. I'm begging. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up for me. So now I have created my plate. I have crossed it at the back. Normally, as usual, the short one will be at the front, while the long one will be at the top, while the long one will be at the down. So now I'm trying to tight it. I'm trying to arrange it to make sure they are okay. That place is very okay. So please see this beautiful makeup. If you want to learn how to make up, just scroll down in my YouTube channel. You will see this beautiful makeup video there. Yeah. So how I draw my eyebrow, my lipstick, my eyelash, my eyeshadow, everything is there. Thank you. So now I'm trying to arrange, when you make a video, the thing is very important for you to check very well. In this very video, I'm not going to fast it, I'm not going to speed it. I just want to leave it the way I tie the hair tie, so that you will understand how it go very well. So this is how it look like. I try to turn it, I try to arrange it step by step, step by step. So watch. If you want to really learn, if you want to learn, watch this video. Is this place you will definitely sure you will get what you want. Now see, please, this place is very, very important in your hair tie. That is why I turn my share. So when you are tying your hair tie, don't just hold only one edge. Make sure you hold the center. You excuse the center. Is what you did to the long side. That is what you do to the short side also. See, I have squeezed the center of this side and the other side. Now I want to I just turn my face case off, so that you people will still see my face. I'm still there. Yes. So now so it the play. Please, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share my video out. I'm begging. So now I just tie my hair tie. See the way I tie the hair tie. Oh God. If you like, dance for party, dance for 2 hours, dance 3 hours, or you go to church, dance the way you like. It will not lose you. Yeah. This is how you need to make your hair tie. You see, now I want to tie it now. The next thing, I just take from the edge. Now I take this edge and the other edge and I tie it very well. You see, that is why I said I'm not going to fast this video. Now I try to draw it out so that your gele will feel so that your gele will be that is the round part will be very good, you understand? It will be big and all that. When you try to tie your gele at back, if you are tying it for someone else, the person can help you to hold it. But if you are tying it on yourself, nobody will hold it. You might little bit rough. But what you need to do is for you to come back again and start arranging. You understand? That is what happened here. When I'm trying to tie it, the thing just scattered, then I rearrange. That is all you do when you are tying your hair tie. So don't expect when you are tying it to still remain the same thing. See it. This is how it look. Even me, I'm looking my hair tie. They check how my beautiful hair tie will come out beautiful like this. Thank you all. God bless you. God bless you. See the way I'm trying to bring it out. Because I like when I tie my gele. It will big, like big, and it will come out nice, beautiful. Thank you very much. God bless you all for watching this video. May God richly bless you all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye-bye. Please like this video, subscribe, share. If you watch the video, you like it, please share this video. Share. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you all. Bye-bye. I love you all.